The role of personal branding in attracting high-paying clients. Imagine walking into a store where everything feels made just for you. The colors, the vibe, the products. It all clicks. That's the power of a great brand. Now think about this. You can be that brand. When it comes to attracting high-paying clients, personal branding is your secret weapon. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense and feels doable. What is personal branding, anyway? Personal branding is just a fancy way of saying, who are you and what do you stand for? It's the unique vibe, skills, and values that you bring to the table. A strong personal brand makes people trust you, remember you, and want to work with you. Think of celebrities. When you hear the name Beyoncé, you don't just think singer. You think powerhouse, perfectionist, queen of the stage. That's her brand. Now, you don't have to be Beyoncé to have a personal brand. You just need to figure out what makes you stand out. Why does personal branding attract high-paying clients? Here's the deal. High-paying clients don't just want a product or service. They want to work with someone who seems professional, trustworthy, and worth the investment. Your personal brand does the talking before you even meet them. Here's how it works. You become memorable. When your brand is clear, people remember you. Whether it's your unique style, your story, or your expertise, you stay on their minds. You build trust. Clients are willing to pay more if they feel like they know and trust you. Your personal brand shows them that you're serious about what you do. You show value. A polished brand screams, I'm worth it. High-paying clients don't want bargain deals. They want top quality. Your brand convinces them that's exactly what you offer. How to build a personal brand that works. Now, let's get practical. How do you create a brand that makes high-paying clients flock to you? 1. Know yourself and your audience. Start by asking, what am I really good at? What do I love doing? Who do I want to work with? Once you know your strengths and who you want to attract, shape your brand around that. 2. Be visible online. In today's world, if you're not online, you're invisible. Set up a professional website and be active on social media platforms where your ideal clients hang out. Share content that shows off your skills and personality. 3. Show your personality. People want to work with real humans, not robots. Share your story, be relatable, and let your personality shine. Whether you're funny, serious, or super creative, let that be part of your brand. 4. Be consistent. Your brand should look and feel the same everywhere. From your Instagram posts to your email signature, keep it consistent. This shows clients that you're organized and trustworthy. 5. Build relationships. Your brand is more than just your website or logo. It's how you make people feel. Be kind, professional, and helpful. Word of mouth can work wonders for attracting clients. Success stories, real-life wins. Let's talk about John, a graphic designer. At first, he was just another guy offering design services. But when he started sharing his creative process online and telling stories about his clients' successes, people noticed. His personal brand became the designer who makes your vision come alive. Now he charges double what he used to, and his clients are happy to pay. Final thoughts. Personal branding isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about owning who you are and showing it off in a way that connects with the right people. When you do it well, high-paying clients will see your value and be excited to work with you. So, start building your brand today. Be real, be consistent, and don't be afraid to shine. High-paying clients are out there. They just need to see that you're the one they've been looking for.